Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, make elements only visible to a screen reader using custom CSS. Have you noticed that all the applied accessibility challenges so far haven't used any CSS? Yes, this is to show the importance of a logical document online outline and using semantically meaningful tags around your content before introducing the visual design aspect. So first we are showing that how to logically document outline and how to use semantically meaningful tags in around content so that we can make the content more accessible, make the document more readable to a screen reader or any other physically disabled or person or s- for anyone before introducing the visual design aspect. However, CSS Magic can also improve accessibility on your page when you want to visually hide content meant only for a screen reader. So, in case we want to don't not show some content, but when a person is using a screen reader, we want to show that means let the person know, let the user know that this is the content. Then, in that case, we can use CSS to hide that content. This happens when information is in visual format like a chart, but a screen reader user needs an alternative presentation like table to access the data. CSS used to position the screen reader only elements of the visual area of the browser window. Here is an example of CSS rules that accomplish this. SR only, position absolute, left 10,000 pixel, minus 10,000 pixel, width 1 pixel, height 1 pixel, top auto overflow hidden. The following CSS approaches will not do the same thing. Display none, visibility hidden, hides content for everyone, including a screen reader user. So if we do that, that is display none or visibility hidden, then it will not work for a screen reader also. So in order to do means show a screen reader, we will just move the whole content in the left side so far that it will not visually affect because overflow is hidden here. So whatever is outside the viewing area means width and height that is given, it will hide. Zero values for pixel sizes such as width 0 pixel, height 0 pixel removes that element from the flow of document, meaning a screen reader will ignore it. So we can't do height and width 0 pixel because it also removes the that element from the flow of document, and a screen reader will ignore that in that case. So that's why the CSS rule is written like this so that it's hidden for the person who is watching means who looks at the web page, but when using a screen reader they can access the content. Campercat created a really cool stacked bar chart for his training page and put the data into a table for his visually impaired users. The table already has a SR only class, that is a screen reader only class. But the CSS rules aren't filled in yet. Give the position of an absolute value, the left at minus 10,000 pixel value, and the width and height both of 1 pixel. So we can say for a screen reader only class, in that we have to give the position. So absolute left minus 10,000 pixel. We can do 1000 pixel also, but let's go with 10,000 pixel. Means minus 1000 pixel, there is chances if content is right aligned, then there may be, we can see that in a screen. So let's be safe and minus 10,000 pixel. Nobody's screen size is that big that it can accommodate after going left to minus 10,000 pixel. And when 1 pixel and height 1 pixel, so that the document remains in the flow, and top is always, that's okay, overflow hidden, that's also good. So, test cases, your code should set the position property of the SR only class to value of absolute. I have done that here. Your code should set the left property of SR only class to value of minus 10,000 pixel. Here, your code should set the width property of SR only class to value of 1 pixel. Here, and your code should set the height property of SR only class to value of 1 pixel. So here, so run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.